Hi, hello everyone. I am Prashant Nandam. Welcome back to our channel. As a part of our AWS Masterclass series, today we will see Cloud Formation, which is session 17. In our last session, we have covered AWS CloudFront, and today we will be going with Cloud Formation. Before proceeding further, I request you all to subscribe to our channel for more DevOps related content updates. And I have already prepared notes for the same. You can refer to our GitHub repo and README file. Here, CloudFormation. Uh, CloudFormation is a infrastructure as a code, and that will allow you to define, provision, and manage AWS resources using a template file, which may be ML format or JSON format. Basically, if you want to create an EC2 instance, what you will do, you will go to AWS console, you will be clicking EC2, and then you will click on launch instance, right? You will click on launch instance and you will proceed with the next steps. But with the help of CloudFormation, you will be writing a program or code in YAML format or JSON format, and using that file in CloudFormation, the resource will be created in AWS. It might be it might be EC2 instance or S3 bucket or any. Okay, and you can go through this for more information and the terms which are used in CloudFormation. Basically, you need to know what is stack. A stack is a collection of AWS resources that are created, managed, and deleted together using a CloudFormation template. Okay, and all resources in this stack are treated as a single unit. For now, understand a stack is a collection of AWS resources. Without wasting our time, let's get started with our demo. To do that, go to your AWS console, search for CloudFormation. We need to create a stack here. What we see in the stack definition is stack is a collection of AWS resources that are created or managed or deleted using CloudFormation. To create a stack, click create stack. We'll go with the standard one. Choose existing template or build from infrastructure composer as well. It will give you some options. I had my code already prepared, so I'll be using my code. Here, if you see, there are three options. When you choose an existing template, you can get it from Amazon S3 bucket with its URL, or you can upload your file, or you can also sync from Git repo. For now, I'll be going with upload file. Before uploading, let me show you my content. This is my S3 template YAML file, which is this is the template format version, and description is for our understanding. I have mentioned simple S3 bucket using CloudFormation. Resources, under resources, what you mentioned that will be created. What we are creating S3 bucket, and type is AWS S3 bucket, and properties, in properties we have mentioned name, bucket name, tags, what all you required. I am going with that name. This is my bucket name. If you see, s3-template.yaml is my file name. I'll be choosing that file. Where did I save? Mostly in desktop itself. Yeah, this is our file. Click open. Full. Uh, Once you upload a file, click next. Specify the stack name. I'll mention demo iPhone S3 creating and the stack of S3. And I click next. If you need any IAM role to be assigned, you can assign as well here. For now, I don't want any, so I'm going with all default settings. Click next. Review the settings here. If you see, template is ready and this is the template URL and description is this one. Click submit. Once you submit, it will take some time and mostly 30 to 60 seconds. Once this is done, you can verify in S3 that the object is created. Bucket is created. See, earlier it was in progress, and you can verify the time. Start time is at 1440 and end time is 1441. Total duration it was taken is 15 seconds, and at last you can verify it is completed. Now let's duplicate this tab, search for S3. Our bucket should be seen here. See this one, my demo PR CloudFormation. My demo PR. You can verify our demo, our bucket name. This is our bucket name. I'll copy this. I'll see. This is our bucket name which has been created recently. Similar way, you can put objects as well here, and you can see stack info and all the information can be seen here. You can see our template as well. This is our template. In compiler, see, compiler is nothing but you can see all at once. I can change this bucket name, and if I save and if I update bucket, see what happens now. Click next. Next. No policy I need for now. I'll be leaving everything as it is. Update is in progress. Let's wait for a while. In progress. See, again it will show you how much time it taken. 18 seconds it has taken and update has been completed. Now go to S3 buckets, refresh this page. Now I'll just search for our file. We are unable to see this file, and instead of 210.32026 we change it to 36. But where 26, we just renamed it. We haven't deleted or created a new file. We have renamed this 2103.2026 file to 2036. That is why we are unable to see the previous one. And if you see here, there are two files with the CF templates and the region. If you see here, we are in US East 1, so they are also in US East 1. Why these files has created? Because these are internal storage buckets and created by AWS to keep our templates safely. Okay, we didn't create it manually, right? AWS created it for us. So when we delete our stack, the main S3 buckets will get deleted, but this two remains as it is. Why? Because they are created and managed by AWS. And instead of we uploading the template, our template file, if you provide a template URL from S3 bucket, CloudFormation won't create the extra buckets. And this bucket, this CF bucket is just a storage location. Okay, this is how we use CloudFormation to create resources in AWS. Similar way, we can create EC2 instance, any other as well. Hope you understood the session. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more DevOps related content. Thank you.